Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best cash app cash out method. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want the smartest way to move money out of cash app, the best option is the standard cash out to your bank because it's completely free and usually lands within 1 or 3 business days. It's the most cost-effective method and it works smoothly as long as your bank account is linked and verified. But if you need the money right now, the instant cash out to your debit card is the fastest choice. Just note there is a small percentage fee added to the transfer. You can also cash out using the cash app card at an ATM, which is convenient but comes with the ATM fee unless you receive a qualifying direct deposit. Overall, go with the standard transfer for savings, instant transfer for emergencies, and ATM withdrawal only when necessary. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick cash app tips, and drop a comment if you want a full guide on preventing transfer delays. And that's it.